A maintenance supervisor loses a second shift technician on Tuesday. 400,000 manufacturing jobs sat open last year. The ones that hurt are the certified people who keep the line running. This is SmartAutomation from Cadient. You post the role. It finds the technicians, scores them against that line, asks if they're interested, and books it. It starts with the careers page you already publish. No integration project. Pick one, launch. It reads the rec, builds a search plan, runs it across a live candidate database. Then it scores each against that line. Certifications, the equipment they've run, the shift, how far they travel. 30 found, 12 shortlisted, 18 held back, and it'll tell you why for each. Then it stops and asks the only question it can't answer. Who's interviewing? You name your shift supervisor. That's the entire ask. He marks when he's free around his own shift. Once. Every shortlisted technician gets an invitation. They pick one that works around theirs. No login, no calling someone asleep on nights, confirmed and in his diary. So next time you open that rec, an interview booked, a score, the reasoning in writing. SmartAutomation from Cadient. Publish the job, meet the candidate.